So now we look at example 3. Use differential to estimate square root of 16.02 minus 2 over fourth root of 16.02, correct to 4 decimal places. You can see that compared to example 2, in this example, we have two different parts in the function. So, in our first step, we will let fx equals to, we just substitute this value 16.02 with the variables of x, means that here I have square root of x minus 2 over fourth root of x. So next we will try to differentiate this function. Before I try to differentiate this function, from square root, I change to 1 over 2 minus 2 over, since this is the fourth root, so it's x power of 1 over 4. Again, before we differentiate, x power of 1 over 2 minus 2x power of negative 1 over 4. So here is 1 over 4. Now I start to differentiate. f prime x is equals to, so bring the index up front, minus 1. Same go to here, bring up front, minus 1. So from here, I have 1 over 2x. 1 over 2 minus 1 is negative 1 over 2. Minus, so before this, negative 2 times negative 1 over 4 will become positive 1 over 2 x negative, here I should have negative 5 over 4, because negative 1 over 4 minus 1 will become negative 5 over 4. So both of these are negative index. Next, I will bring it down to become 1 over 2. Because power of 1 over 2, I can write as square root of x plus 1 over 2 x power of 5 over 4. So here, okay, correct. Okay, so this is our f prime x. In our second step, I will determine the value of x and x naught. So x, again, is the given value, 16.02. So x naught, remember, x naught must be an integer and close to 16.02. So I estimate as 16. So delta x is equals to x minus x naught. So it's 16.02 minus 16. For the first time here, we have a positive value, which is 0.02. So after this example, you have to know that delta x can be positive or negative. So this is our second step, find the delta x, and then we have already differentiate. Now we come to our third step. So third step, based on our formula, is f x naught plus delta x is equals to, let's say I put my third step. So this is first step. Here is the second step. Now we look at our third step. Fx naught plus delta x is equals to fx naught plus f prime x naught delta x. So the first part of this formula is our question, which is this here. So square root of 16.02 minus 2 over the fourth root of 16.02 will be equals to, so fx naught, where our x naught is 16, plus f prime 16, delta x is 0.02. So this will be equals to, substitute 16 into the function of fx. This is our function of fx. So let's say I put a square bracket. So from here is square root of 16 minus 2 over the fourth root of 16, close the bracket, plus f prime 16. So our f prime x is here, So from here, I have 1 over 2 times square root of 16 plus 1 over 2 times 16 power of 5 over 4 multiplied by 0.02. So next, square root of 16 is 4 minus 2 over the fourth root of 16 is 2. So this is the first part plus, so the second part here is 1 over, so this is 2 times square root of 16, square root of 16 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 over 16, so 16 power of 5 over 4. You can use your calculator, which is equals to 32, multiply with 2. So here you have 64. Let's say I change to a round bracket. So here is a round bracket. Multiply by 0.02. So from here, 4 minus 2 over 2 is 1. So here is we should have 3 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 64 will be equals to 9 over 64 multiplied by 0.02. So here is 9. Finally, 9 over 64 multiplied by 0.02 plus 3. So our final answer correct to 4 decimal places. So it's 3.0028. So here is our answer correct to 4 decimal places.